too hot. Is that blood? Hello, my name is Kyla Chantel. Welcome. Today I'm back with another waxing video, but this time I'm going to be doing my legs. This is the first time I'm going to be waxing my legs. Usually I shave, but I love the results so much from doing my arms that I figure I'll try to do my legs. We'll see how it goes. I don't really like doing my legs in the past because it takes so long and it's such a large area, but I'm going to try it today, and of course I'm bringing you along. So today I'm going to be using the same wax that I used when I did my arms. So if you didn't see that video, you should check it out. So I have my wax all heated up already. So it's not really spreading the way that I wanted it to. Usually I see people do their legs and they like get a big area, but mine is not spreading, so I may need to change my technique. I'm hoping this doesn't hurt as much as my arms did, but let's see. Oh my. Ooh. It's hot. It doesn't hurt as much, I think, because the hair is more spaced out on your legs than it is on your arms. I'm going to try this again and try to get a larger area. So I think the trick is to do it fast before the wax starts drying when it gets on your skin. Ooh. Ouch. Whoa. It comes off really easy. And I pull quickly in the opposite direction that the wax was placed. The ends keep breaking, I think because they're too thin in me trying to spread it out. When you place the wax, you should put it in the direction the hair grows and then pull in the opposite direction. Again, the end broke because it's too thin. Ouch. Ouch. Ooh. Now I'm going to move on to the knee and my knee is usually a bit more hairy than this part of my leg. So we'll see how that goes. I feel like I got a little bit of a better spread at that time. So let's see. It's already dry. Ouch. Ow! Whew. Ouch. Definitely hurt more because there's more hair there. But it comes off clean. Ooh, this is a bit hot. It might be a little bit too hot. What I'm gonna try to do is do multiple patches at once in hopes that this could go faster. Ouch, whee! Ouch, whoa. Ow. It stings more than anything. But the stinging lasts for about 5 seconds and then it goes away.
Okay.
I know that it helps after you pull to hold your skin down. It helps relieve the pain. Oh, so far the parts that I've done have come out really clean, but it's really patchy because I guess of how I've been placing the wax, which is the issue I've had with trying to wax your legs, it's such a large space. It's difficult to really get it all properly. Ooh, it's too hot. Ooh, I turned the temperature down, but apparently, did I turn it down or up? Guess I didn't turn it down enough. That was really hot. Wow. Ouch. I don't know if the camera can really pick it up, but if you can see the parts that I've done that are clean. Hopefully the wax has cooled. One, two, three. Whew. 1, 2, 3. Whew. Ouch! Boy. Hello again. So the update is that I did not complete my whole leg. It was taking too long and the space was so wide and it was looking all patchy. And I mentioned before that it only hurts for 5 seconds. Well, no, it turns out that's a lie because my leg is still stinging. Like, it stings for so long and I'm not really sure what to do, but hopefully it goes away quickly. I did hear that sometimes when people wax certain parts of their body, they start to get ingrown hairs, which makes little bumps on their skin, which is something I don't want to happen, especially on my legs. So I did some research and I found that to prevent ingrown hairs, if you exfoliate after shaving or waxing, it helps to prevent ingrown hairs. So I bought a few products that I'll show you, which I'm hoping will help prevent any ingrown hairs over the next couple weeks. So I ended up buying from Target a Shea Sugar Scrub. It's still in the package as I haven't used it yet, but it had a lot of good reviews. It's a Moroccan rose flavor or scent, and because it's a sugar, it'll get into your skin and really clean out the dirt and anything and clear your pores. I also bought an exfoliating towel. I've never seen a towel before. It's a pretty big size towel that's exfoliating, so I'm planning to use those together and hopefully that will prevent any ingrown hairs or bumps from showing up on my legs. Thanks so much for tuning in to today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, you should subscribe and support me. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.